Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Delonghi Caffe Corso machine. It's a bean to cap machine. Wow, ESAM 2800 SB. It's a nice device with 1450 watt power, 1.8 liters water tank, and in this case it's a silver black. As you can see, you can always buy a black version of it or a silver version, and the black and silver version like here. And with this machine we have 15 bar pressure, a removable 1.8 liter water tank, electronic steam and coffee thermostat for accurate steam control. It's suitable for fresh coffee beans. Oh, and the beans container capacity is at 200 grams. It has an integrated professional burr grinder with 7 adjustable coarseness settings, advanced boiler system with a thermoblock, and a removable brewing unit for easy cleaning, and a removable drip tray with water level indicator. Yeah, you can see you have an all-in-one device with so many perfect ways to an Italian coffee. From freshly ground beans to outstanding, intense aromatic coffee variety. Our personal favorite drinks at the touch of a button away. Really awesome. On the device, we have the fresh ground coffee from beans of our choice, integrated grinding technology with adjustable grinding levels according to taste and coffee type. Conical steel grinders calibrated with 100% accuracy per ultimate precision grinding by Delonghi, because this is a brand which built so many coffee machines before, and they have a really good skill with that. Our coffee is only one touch away. We can choose our coffee beans and let the machine prepare our favorite drinks automatically. Just press the beverage button and enjoy top quality freshly ground coffee as we like it. The heart of the coffee extraction. The brewing unit does and compact grounds coffee for optimal infusion and ethyl extraction. For utmost hygiene, the brewing unit is easily removable and washable under the tap water. That's awesome. And that's not enough. Prepare our own milk foam like a barista. Thanks to the manual cappuccinator, we can either heat up the milk for a smooth latte or create velvety milk-based beverage such as cappuccino from our preferred type of milk. The best milk for it is lactose-free. Everyone's taste is different. Then, with this device, we can enjoy preferred espresso-based drinks at the touch of a button and brew of 2 espresso cups at the same time. Easily customize aroma level and coffee lengths according to the taste. Oh, excellent quality and cap. Each one the grinders is tested and calibrated to ensure the precision for a perfect espresso brewing. The brewing unit, it's ideal coffee extraction. It hosts single and double cups grinding quantity. Tamping is automatic for a constant result. And it's one-touchable. It's really easy to use. Preparing any beverage has never been so easy thanks to the one-touch technology. You have a 1 cup button on the top side. You push, the coffee will come after 20 seconds, I think. And manual frother. Our perfect milk froth. Be our own barista by manually preparing our desired milk drinks thanks to the manual milk frother. And we have a beverage variety. Our favorite beverage, 2 one-touch recipes, espresso, 2 times espresso coffees, many more manual milk drinks, latte macchiato. You can drink tea, of course. You can make tea with that device too, no problem. Making bean-to-cup coffee at home has never been easier with the Delonghi Caffe Corso bean-to-cup coffee machine with 4 coffee options, strength selector, and a milk frother. Every coffee connoisseur is guaranteed to be satisfied. The coffee machine features CRF technology, a tubeless system, meaning the beans are ground instantly for full flavor. To make the job even quicker, we can make 2 cups at a time. So kick back, relax, and let the Caffe Corso do the work for us. With its sleek design and compact features, the Delonghi Caffe Corso coffee machine will fit easily into almost any kitchen. Cleaning the inside of the machine is easy as the boiler system is completely removable. The coffee options are espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano, latte macchiato, standard coffee too, and tea, hot water. And it can be used with ground coffee or with coffee beans. So you have here a bunch of so much different types of options, and it's so easy and high quality device. This is a Delonghi Caffe Corso full coffee machine. Yeah, all in one bean to cup machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.